In this space, I wanted to show how to use some of the kits from Walmart. They have some pansies, which should have been planted in, started in January, but these will be okay. We have a Japanese maple. Hey, let's see how that works out. See if I can actually plant it. Some chamomile, love it. I did have some chamomile return, so I'm super glad about that. But lavender. Hey, we did a video on growing lavender indoors, so maybe this one we can keep inside. Your tins come with the seeds on the inside and then a growing medium, which means you need to see how much in the instructions say for your water to add, and then it'll become all fluffy. This one does come with a little hole. I think they both do. The instructions are on the inside of your lid, so you're not going to find them while you're shopping unless you take the whole thing apart, which I don't recommend that. A couple of things that I already did for a kit was the herb. And over here I have no rosemary because that needed light. And for some reason did not stay wet enough, I guess. I do have some true leaves over here on the sage. And then the middle, I forget what it was that I planted there. But this one did not come with a hole. It just came with a tag. So then the watering had to be very careful, and that's probably why the rosemary did not get enough water. But when we get true leaves, you can start fertilizing according to our instructions on the inside of your label, of your canister. Growing instructions in a separate bowl. Dissolve growing medium with 3/4 cup of warm water, and then fluff with a fork and place it. And then you're going to go ahead and put it back. Now, I did not realize that it had a hole, so I'm going to go get a bowl, get these fluffed up, and then we'll be right back. Okay, for the pansies, it's actually a viola. So the instructions are on the back of the can. It's so cute. I think this is great. Let's take this off. Comes with 2 of them. Now it's supposed to be covered by an 1/8 of an inch. Inside you also have something plastic, so there's no drainage hole. Let me get the rest of this off. Oh. It wanted to be 1/2 cup of warm water. Did not take long at all for it to pop up. The other one I used, let's see, this one was 3/4 cup of warm water. I think that my disc needs a little bit more help. This one is the lavender. It does get covered. I'll check and double check on that. I'm not sure what these growing mediums are made of, but we're going to just move forward. The chamomile will not be covered. All right, let's get the chamomile ready. That one's 3/4 of a cup, so almost. This is a 1 cup, so I'm going to eyeball it. And then back to our pansies, which are actually violas, sold as a pansy pop. These are an 1/8 of an inch deep. I don't know if they really kind of expect you to grow this on a windowsill, which will become leggy. So I'm going to put them under my grow lights since I have them. Otherwise, give it a try. See what happens. And then just enjoy them. I'm going to put all the seeds that we have. See how it does. It says 1/8 of an inch. So it's not hardly any kind of coverage. And I will use some vermiculite also. Lots of seeds. Some of my vermiculite on top when we're done with all of them. So let's move forward. This one right here is the lavender. And our lavender instructions say do not cover, which I will cover with vermiculite. That shouldn't hinder anything. Just kind of press it down. And that's our container. And these are going to be on the soil surface. I got 2 chamomile packets. Which means if it all germinates really well, I'm going to have way too many in here to actually be productive. They'll choke each other out. We'll just see how it does. I can cut some out. You would not really use your lids, but hey, there's a hole at the bottom. You can use it as a tray, catch your water, and spray it in. And now go ahead and use a little bit of the vermiculite on top. Make sure that it keeps it moist. Okay, next we have, don't need these lids anymore either. This is a Japanese maple. It comes full of instructions. All right, here's our seeds, right there. And this is our growing medium. Quite a bit of stuff in here. Let's see our instructions. It gives the history. It's actually a bonsai. Oh, what did I call it? A Japanese maple. It says Japanese maple, but then it's actually a bonsai. It gives you instructions on how to help it grow. Right here. It's a bonsai. I think it has a hole. Our seeds are this one right here. Right into the sow the seeds they gave us. Then we open up our pebbles. Put it in the fridge for 20 days and keep our instructions. They want the rocks to be even, so as even as they can be. All right, here we go. Place it top on top, and we'll put it in the fridge for 20 days and come back and check on it. I better mark my calendar. Okay, there we have a couple of the kits. We have the herbs, we have a bonsai, we have the pansies, which are violas, and there is no drainage at the bottom, so be careful. They were covered by 1/8 of an inch of soil. We have the chamomile and the lavender, which do have bottom drainage, so I went ahead and put the cap on the bottom and just marked it with its own label. They both want a light to germinate. Those are some of our kits. And hopefully you can have fun if you're relaxing. Or just enjoy what you see growing in your windowsill or under some of your plant lights. Follow for more.